Peter! Yeah, Charlie? Wanna play Legos? Okay. Yeah. Legos. Yay. Yeah.
Cool, what are we playing?
Legos.
But what is this place?
This is a mental institution for
Cool.
kids. See, there's the bedroom, a workout room, the TV room, 2 TVs for little kids and older kids, a computer room, and a punching room for the real psychos.
Oh, okay. What's wrong with this person?
He has paranoia and panic attacks.
What? Oh, this person's in a wheelchair.
And now he'll never walk again.
What's wrong with these people?
He's blind and she has AIDS.
What's wrong with him?
He's bipolar.
Oh my God, he's attacking me! Mommy! Mommy! Oh, okay. You look different.
What are you talking about?
Nice stash.
Thank you. Took me all morning to get it.
Interesting. So, what's wrong with this person?
He was murdered at the bottom of a well.
What's wrong with this person?
He's a serial killer. Just like me.